Alright guys, I just got these two new cubes, so it's the MoYu Meilong 5, the MoYu Meilong 3C. So let's open them. First a 5x5. Yeah, it's a little bit weird, it's my first 5x5 and I was hoping that it was a little bit bigger. It's not. This is my other 3x3, the QiYi. It's almost the same size. These inner pieces are really small, but let's see how it turns. Yeah, it's a little bit weird at first, having in mind this is my first 5x5 ever. Sexy move. Not so easy. Because the inner layers also move, so they block the cube. So now I'll have to figure out how to solve it, because I don't know. But shouldn't be very hard. Now the 3x3. I wanted to buy this one to compare with the Warrior W, because I like the Warrior W, but it's just that it feels a little bit sticky sometimes. I don't know. Maybe I haven't set it up very well. Yeah, but it's always blocking a little bit. Yeah, so now this one is really light. No symbol. I thought it would have the MoYu symbol. It's nice. Yeah, not bad. Okay, so it's really light. The size it's the same. Yeah, almost the same. Yeah, I guess it feels a little bit better, at least for me. In the beginning it's a little bit weird because it's really light, and I don't know if I like it being so light, but yeah, I move it very well. I guess I move it better than this one. So let me try to make a solve. I'm still not very good at this, but let's see. Alright. Okay, yeah, not bad at all. I really like it. I think I will be using this much more than this one. So yeah, that's a good first impression. I don't know if the tensions are perfect. Maybe I'll try to see if I can change that a little bit. This one was really tightened and then I just loosened it a little bit, but still it's very sticky. I don't know. This one sounds, and the noise makes way less noise. So yeah, good cube. I really recommend it based on my very little experience, but still feels really nice. Right, so in the next video probably I will be trying to solve this one, because I've never solved it before. And yeah, that's it. So subscribe here for more content like this, and as well as tutorials, and see you in the next time. Bye bye.